Don't download Sarwa app before watching this. If you're thinking about using the Sarwa app for investing, pause for a second. Most people assume it's just another straightforward robo-advisor, but the surprising truth is that there are key limitations you need to know before trusting it with your money. Sarwa advertises itself as a simple, low-cost investment platform that helps you grow wealth using automated portfolios of ETFs. On paper, it looks perfect for beginners or busy investors. However, most people get this wrong. Sarwa's portfolios are highly standardized. While they offer some risk-level customization, you don't get full control over individual assets. That can be frustrating if you want to tailor your investments or pursue more advanced strategies. Another consideration is fees. Sarwa charges a management fee of around 0.5% per year, plus ETF costs, which can seem reasonable for smaller accounts. But over time, these fees can compound and reduce overall returns, especially compared to platforms that offer lower-cost index funds or ETFs directly. The app does shine in some areas. It's beginner-friendly, offers goal-setting features, and provides automatic portfolio rebalancing. For someone who wants a hands-off approach, Sarwa is convenient and keeps investing simple. Plus, its interface is clean, educational, and easy to navigate. However, it's important to remember that Sarwa isn't ideal for active traders or those seeking in-depth analytics. You won't find tools for stock picking, advanced charting, or real-time market data. It's truly built for long-term, passive investing, which might not suit everyone's financial goals. In conclusion, don't download Sarwa expecting a full-service investment platform. It works best for beginners or investors who prefer automated portfolios and minimal decision-making. Understanding these limitations before signing up ensures you're making a choice that aligns with your investment style and long-term financial objectives. Use Sarwa wisely, but consider alternatives if you want more control, customization, or lower long-term fees.